Welcome to the latest update program of the HTIS. In this series, the topic of discussion is Global Hunger Index 2021 released. The latest Global Hunger Index has been released to reflect the hunger situation at the global level. This index is jointly released by Concern Worldwide and Welthunger-Hilfe. According to this year's index, India's position has been ranked 101 out of 116 countries. India ranked 94 among 107 countries in the Global Hunger Index, that is GHI, released last year. It is a matter of concern that this year India is among the 31 countries where hunger is considered the most serious. Countries that have a worse position than India include countries like Papua New Guinea 102, Afghanistan 103, Nigeria 103 and Congo with 105 rank. India's position in terms of hunger is worse than Pakistan, which is at 92 rank, Nepal 76 rank and Bangladesh also at 76 rank. The situation of hunger in Somalia is considered to be the most serious. That is, this country is at the last 116th place in the index. Last three countries are Central African Republic 114, Yemen 115 and Somalia with 116 rank. In the index of 2021, a total of 18 countries like Belarus, Brazil, Chile, Cuba, China have got a joint top ranking. All these 18 countries have scored less than 5. India's score is 27.5, which was 28.8 last year, that is 2020. This implies that a rising score in the index means a worsening of appetite. Note that in this index, countries are given a score between 0 to 100 based on some indicators, in which 0 means zero hunger, while 100 means the most severe condition. There are 4 measures of GHI: undernutrition, child stunting, child wasting and child mortality. According to the latest index, 47 countries are in a situation where hunger will not reduce even by 2030. Another thing is that the progress rate has been very slow since 2000. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.